Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another beautiful day. I am over here at the garage, not dealing with this today, but grabbing this. Mike and I are headed over. I'm gonna meet him in Mare Island in just a minute. We're headed over to Hexa garage. He's having a little bit of issue with the 350Z, and I guess they're pretty swamped, so we're gonna go handle it. So I don't have a lot of time. I'm kind of on a time crunch, so I'm gonna get the bike ready, and we're gonna head over there. So we just pulled up to the Chevron right out here outside of Six Flags Marine World. Ooh, look at her. Looking fresh. And I haven't ridden it in a while, so it's been pretty nice to come out, ride on the bike, have a destination to go, and yeah, the day's not too bad either. And I'm sorry if you guys can't really hear me as well as you normally can. My external mic is at home because I have it on the front of my helmet. So I'm trying to get still some content for you and let you know. Right now, Mike's about 10 minutes out, so he'll be meeting me here, and then we're gonna cruise out to Hexa, and I'll show you when I get there. Woo! Been a minute. I know you can't hear me.
What's up, fool?
What's up, dude? So we just made it to Hexa. We're here. We're about to pull the transmission out. As you can see, it has quite an oil leak underneath, but the engine's pretty much all together. From what I know, the oil galley plug on the back where the transmission goes is not there or loose. And so we have to pull the trans out to be able to get it to seal, and then we'll put it back together, and then this should be running and ready to fire. So you can see it's a clean install. It's all back together, pretty much how I did it. He does have the heater hoses ran, and he has this for the flex fuel. But other than that, yeah, it's time to get started. And we actually have a lift. Thank God we have a lift. I didn't feel like getting real dirty today, and it'll be much easier for me to get up under here, take it off, support what I need to, get it out, and then put it back together. So yeah, about to get started on this. All right, so while I have a moment, the music's not going. I got the tranny out. Only took about 45 minutes, not too bad. There's a little bit tight clearances right here around where the belt housing goes to the trans tunnel, but we were able to get it out. We had a trans jack, so that really helped. Everything in here is covered with oil, so I'm gonna take the clutch off and see what's missing, if it's an oil galley plug or if it's something out of the back of the crank. We're gonna check out and see. So, all right, so we have everything out. Let me see if I can find a light for this. There's a lot of oil all over this, but not quite sure. There's supposed to be a plug that's in there, and I know you guys can't really see it. Let me see if I can, nope. Anyway, there's a plug in there that's supposed to be sealed. That's where they were thinking that maybe the oil was spurting out from, but now it looks like it might be around the rear main or something like that. But I'm not gonna keep the vlog going much longer because I don't know about copyright, blah, blah, blah. All right, I'm gonna come out here where I can talk a little bit easier. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Like I said, I don't have my external mic because I'm on the bike, but we removed everything, and that crank is from Texas Speed, and it looks like that maybe they have the hole on the inside where there would be a freeze plug for the crank for the LS3 might be welded. We're waiting to take it apart more. We have to take out the pilot bearing and see if the weld maybe has a pinhole in it or something like that. So I don't really know what's going on. Mike's on his way to get that seal or the freeze plug, but if it's a welded thing, then we're not gonna be able to use it anyway. And we really didn't know that until we took the transmission out. So yeah, we're kind of looking into that, and I don't know if I'm gonna have an answer for you for this vlog. We're gonna kind of wait till he comes back. I have to dip out of here in about a half hour. I have my daughter tonight, so if I don't clear it up for you guys on this vlog, I'm gonna for sure clear it up on my Instagram. I'll even try to leave a comment down below after I figure it out. I know this video will probably be posted for then, but yeah, so fingers crossed that it's an easy thing. Maybe it's the seal around the rear main seal, but I don't know what's going on. So I think we're gonna get back to it, see if we can pull out the pilot bearing and see what's up. We got a familiar but not familiar car here because it's no longer purple. Aaron, this shit turned out good. I can't wait to see it wrapped. Body's clean, everything looks good. The primer, the roof's no longer messed up. Over the fender, the rear, it's about to look really good. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm home. We don't have it resolved as to what the problem is with Mike's car. So I think he's gonna go back. He's grabbing the G35 tonight. It should be done for him to be able to drive because he dropped the vet off, and he is getting the head and cam package done on that. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Like I said, I don't know when I'm gonna hear back what actually is the cause of all the oil leaking out of the 350Z. So I'm waiting to hear back from Mike tonight after he goes there. And then yeah, I'll either drop it in the comments, I'll put it on my Instagram, maybe I'll do both. I want you guys to know what's going on with it as well, since this whole vlog has actually been that. However, that's it. I gotta go pick up my daughter. So if you like the content, please ding the notification bell and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you to other episodes. Yeah, take care. All love. Peace.